I think a lot of kids don't know what they want to do. And I think also, um, from where I'm from, going to university just wasn't an option. So we really need to have these talks with kids when they're in school and tell them about the different career opportunities that are out there. I didn't start in tech until my late 20s. Went back to Capilano College. Now it's Capilano University, so I can tell my parents I went to university. I think I'm the first one from my family, direct family, to go to university. Uh, I guess college, and I just like to always tell the story that I think technology is a great option for people to get into if that's games or tech. And I really believe tech and games are also the next blue collar jobs for BC. Where I'm from, we do a lot of forestry, railroad, trucking, natural resources, and those are all becoming tech companies now too. So this is a great, tremendous opportunity. I think games is a tremendous way that kids can get into work, and we're always looking at hiring.